So hello guys, this is the Blaupunkt truly wireless earphones which I ordered from the Amazon at the Great Indian Sale, which cost me at least 3,499 rupees. Let's unbox it. So here we get some, you know what they are. They are the wireless earphones. Let's pick it up. So it is the charging case, I think. Yes, it is the charging case. You can see here. So this is the box in which I think there will be the charging cable for the case. Okay, it's a micro USB cable. USB type A to micro USB cable, which I think it is a very old thing in these days because there are type C chargers. This is the ear tips according to your ear size, and here is some warranty card, I think, and the documentation or the instruction manual of this, which is quite a bit thick, but it's okay if anyone wants to know about them. So let's keep them aside. Let's focus on these two tiny earbuds or earphones and the charging box. So I have used these for a few days or few weeks, and they sound phenomenal and awesome also, since I have heard them for a very long time. So I think that I would gonna do a review on them in the next video. So till then, bye.